Hello, I'm Lena Taro. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use NCTM's core math tools to do a simulation to help answer the following question. The question is, if 10% of donors have type B blood, what is the probability of finding one person with type B blood in a group of 10 donors? To begin, we'll open the core math tools and we'll need to run Java to have the tools work. And when the quick access panel comes up, I'm going to click on simulation. And let's make our screen here a little bit bigger. So I'm going to choose the option of rolling a 10-sided die. And we'll say that a 1 corresponds to a type B blood donor, since 10% of donors have type B blood. So if I click here on the Start button, we can see that the die is rolling different outcomes from 1 to 10. Now I'm going to reset the die, and from the drop-down menu I'm going to choose Build, Count Number of, and I'm going to count the number of ones that I see for every 10 rolls. And I'd like to look at the die as it's being rolled as well. So let's step through the simulation. We can see that in this set of 10 rolls, there were no ones. Let's do that again. In this second set of 10 rolls, there was one 1 that occurred, and then no 10s, and so on. Let's conduct a total of 97 runs of this simulation. So in other words, we're going to pretend that we're rolling the die 10 times, and we'll have done that then a total of 100 times. Let's take a look at a graph of our results. And we can see from the graph here, we can see that not always do we have an equal number of 1s through 10s. 8 happened a little more frequently, 10 not so much. But we have an almost equal number of every single value, which we'd expect to see on a fair 10-sided die. And over here we have the count for how many times we saw a 1. And I'm going to go up here to View and choose Label Bars. So I can see in my 100 rolls there were 0 times where we had somebody with type B blood, 41 times where there was one of the donors with type B blood, 23 times where we saw in that group of 10 donors 2 people with type B blood, and so on. So what was our original question? Our original question was, what is the probability of finding one person with type B blood? So in our simulation here, this happened 41 times out of the 100 trials. Let's change this to relative frequency. And that doesn't look like it really did anything, although it just changed the numbers over here to show you the relative frequency of each of these values. Let's do our simulation again. And let's do another 900 runs. So we already had 100 runs. Let's do 900 more. So we can see that about 38% of the time, almost 39% of the time, we saw exactly 1 of the 10 blood donors having type B blood.